Hey guys, and welcome back. So last week you saw me apply the Elsa nail tips, and this week I'm going to be trying out this MelodySusie $25 nail drill. You heard that right. And seeing if it works with polygel prep and application. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Thanks guys. I don't know why I said thanks, but let's just move on. Well, that was an awkward intro, but basically what I was trying to say is that MelodySusie has sent me this nail drill. It is $25, and I'm going to be applying polygel onto my index finger. I'm going to be prepping my nail with this nail drill, and I'm going to be doing some filing and shaping afterwards after the polygel is applied. So let's go ahead, open this baby up, and get into the specs of what is in this box. So I think they sent me the purple color, but this nail drill is rechargeable and cordless. I mean, come on, $25 rechargeable cordless nail drill? Okay. So you have your instruction booklet there. Let's throw that box. We have the actual drill. She is beautiful. She has the LCD screen, which is amazing. So you got your power button. It takes about an hour to charge fully. You have the up and down speeds. This guy goes up to 25,000 RPMs. And I believe if you click the power button, it does your reverse or forward. So I think I have to double click. Yeah, there we go. Okay, double click for reverse and double click for forward and hold down to turn off. Very, very cool. And you get a little dusting brush. So cute. Little teeny little baby one. You have your power cord. You get 20 of these sanding bands. Oh, here is the mandrel bit. I think I tried this out. I tried it out and then I was like, oh crap, I have to shoot the video before I try this thing out. And then you get some of, your typical little bits and bobs. I actually don't know what these guys are for. Are these just like natural nail bits? I'm not 100% sure. But anywho, you get these other ones here, and obviously I popped a thing on here, but I am actually gonna go to my MelodySusie sanding band kit and I'll show you what I have. Okay, so I have this little doohickey, and this is from MelodySusie, and I'm gonna pick out, I like to use the 240 when I am prepping the nail, which is this little pink one here. I like to use this one. I don't know why, I just like it, and you'll see I even have it. I have it on my desk drill. So let's get her on and get this guy in. And like I said, it has 25,000 RPMs. I don't know about you, but that is plenty for me. I don't ever go up to 30 or 35,000 RPMs. I think 25 is great for a beginner. This one works on friction, so there is no twisty. You just push it in and pull it out when you are done with it. So that's awesome. And I think that's pretty much all of the specs that we need to know about this guy. So what do you say? Why don't we go ahead and start prepping the nail? So I'm just gonna clean up this stuff and I'll be right back. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this guy on. And he's in the forward position already. I'm gonna go up to 3 RPMs right now. All I want to do right now is file from where the tip meets the natural nail and just kind of bring it down just a smidge. I know that my other nails are in desperate need of a fill. That is because it's been a week since I put the polygel on and filmed the last video. I'm sorry guys. I've just been kind of dealing with some stuff. I've been trying to get off. I think I realized what's going on. I have been weaning off of an antidepressant med, and it has kind of made me just, I don't know, not really want to move a lot and not want to do much of anything. And I finally just said, you know what? I need to get the hell off the couch. I need to start moving again and taking care of myself again. I worked out today and I'm filming during the day and not at nighttime this week. I just said screw it. I know it's gonna take me a little while to get used to not being on this med, and I really need to just take care of myself. in the meantime. And I actually feel very hyper right now because I worked out. So if I am like kind of woo, that is why. But I'm doing okay. Like I don't feel like any like depressed symptoms like or anxiety. I mean, I do feel anxious, don't get me wrong, but not like I'm not completely off the med yet. I only went down like 5 milligrams. So I was on 60 mils of Cymbalta, and I think we went, was it 60 or 50? I think I was on 50 and we went down to 45, or from 60 to 40, something like that. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm really bad at knowing like my dosages of things. But anyways, it wasn't like a big jump. It's like the normal weaning process. It just, I don't know. I just was like tired a lot, and I kind of used that as an excuse to just not do anything, and that's not good. Like, it's not good to not move our bodies. You know, we have to move. So this is working really well. I feel really in control. I think the 3 is like the perfect speed. I know, sorry, I went off on a rant there, but I want you guys to, know about the drill too, not just, I want to talk to you about like my personal life too. I thought about doing more like content like on Instagram and stuff of like me at home, like meals that I eat, like, I don't know, just kind of stuff like that. If you'd be interested in it, let me know. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you should. It's Luxe Nails by Jen, and I do share some other stuff on there, but I really would like to share more than just nail content with you guys. But anywho, back to the drill. It feels really nice doing that. I don't feel like it's wobbling. I don't feel like the bit is wobbling at all. I think that the low speed is a low speed. Some of these drills, a low speed does not mean low. And let me see if I can actually, there you go. You can see the speed on there, and you can see the green dot indicates a full battery. So that is quite nice. I also wanted to mention that they are having a sale for this drill right now for 20%, and you can get this drill for $19.99. That's not even using my code. So my code is usually for 15% off. I don't know how long this sale is going to be going on for. So if you don't catch the sale, then you can always use my code for other things, like, the sanding bands or whatnot when you buy your drill. And that is LNB Jen. I will make sure that I have the right code up on screen and in the description box, as well as all the links and things like that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to come back and we're going to apply polygel really quickly. We're going to speed through that part because it's all about the nail drill. Alright, I've got the polygel on. I'm just going to start patting it out. But like I said, we're going to rush through this part because it is all about the nail drill today. Alright, so I went ahead and switched out my sanding band for my safety bit here. And I'm just going to clean off the nail. I had to fill in a little spot that chipped off down here. I don't have top coat or anything on these nails, so, that's bound to happen. So I'm going to start in the cuticle area. As you can see, I need to shape this, but that I'm going to do all by hand. I like doing that by hand, just, I don't know, for me, it's just easier. So let's turn this baby on. I don't know if I can get the camera to like focus. I'm gonna go up to like 5 here. I'm going to try to see if I can get the camera to stay focused, but I'm not sure if I can. So I'm just gonna start by kind of cleaning up the cuticle area and working my way around the nail, kind of debulking a little bit. I should have a mask and a dust collector on, but I don't have my mask up here right now. I needed to get a new one, and I don't want to bring the dust collector out because it'll be way too loud, and I won't be able to talk to you guys while I'm doing this. So I'm just going and kind of shaping the nail, like just kind of getting rid of some of the bulk. I don't know if you can see that. I'm actually going to turn this down to like 4, I think, because polygel's pretty soft. You don't need it to be like super fast or anything. I I just want to dust off the nail so I can see how it's looking. And it's gonna come up the side. I actually might just use the sanding band because I can get right in that cuticle area with it. I don't know where my 5-in-1 is right now. I think it's in a bag downstairs. Otherwise, I would be using that guy. I hate dust. So this is kind of driving me insane, but it's fine. For the sake of this video, it is fine. Okay, let's turn this back on. And it always turns on at 1, which I like. So let me, again, try to focus on this finger. I don't know if it's going to be able to, but I can tell you that it is working nicely to take the bulk down and really get in here and just clean up the poly gel. So it feels nice in my, it's a nicely weighted, you know how I feel about that. It's nice in my hand. It's a nice size. I honestly think for $25, like, girl, you'd be crazy not to buy this. And especially because it's on sale right now for $19.99. Like, come on. Even with just my 15% discount, it's still a good deal. I think as far as the work with the drill, I think honestly it's great. It's a great drill. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish like my hand filing and shaping and whatnot off screen, and then I'll just be back with my final words. Okay? I think it's doing a great job though. Alrighty, I'll be back. Y'all, for $25, I think this is a nice dang drill. I think as far as it goes to the other like rechargeable wireless nail drills that I have, it works just as well, feels just as nice, is just as quiet. I mean, it does everything that I need it to do. And it's $25. That's why with the last nail drill that I reviewed, because I had this one as well at the same time, I just could not in good conscience be like, yeah, this is a great drill, you should definitely go out and get it, because I knew that you could get this for $25 and it'd be a really good drill. So anyways, here's the nail. She is shorter than the other nails because, well, first of all, your girl decided to bite the crap out of her nail, so I had to put the nail back really far on my natural nail, and these guys have grown out for a week. The shapes are also a little wonky looking, but when I fill them and I get ready for next week's nail look, you best believe everything is gonna be right and tight. Okay, now I am going on vacation next week, so there may not be a video. I might just post on the Instagrams, just kind of showing you guys where I am and whatnot. I'm just going to visit some family, so you know, I might have some stuff like that. So why don't you go check me out on Instagram and TikTok. It is both Luxe Nails by Jen. And before you leave here, don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you in the fam jam. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me. Bye guys.